In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block a game from being able to connect to the internet in Windows 10 using the Windows Defender Firewall. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu, and you now need to type in Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, and you now need to open this up. You now need to click on Inbound Rules, and you now need to click on Action, New Rule. You then need to select Program and press Next. You now need to click on Browse, and you now need to browse for the games.exe that you want to block the internet access for. I'm going to use block and load for the example in this video, so as you can see I have the .exe here. You just need to ensure that you don't click on the launchers.exe, you need to actually click on the games.exe, because a lot of games have launchers, so you want to find the game's actual.exe. So once you found it, press open, and you can then go next, and we now need to select block the connection and then next again. You now need to keep all these options selected and go next, and we now need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it BL and then blocked and then go finish. So as you can see, it now has a block symbol. We now need to do the same for Outbound Rules. We need to go to Action, New Rule. We then need to select Program, go next. We then need to browse for the game and then select it, go open, next, block the connection, next, and then next for the profile, keeping them all selected, and then we're going to go BL and then block again and then go finish. So as you can see, it now has the block symbol. So now if I launch the game, it will not be able to connect to the internet. And there we go. As you can see, block and load has failed to connect to the internet. So that is how you block a game from being able to connect to the internet in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If it did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.